Welcome to Ysgol Cei Newydd. In our programme, we'll be talking about something really important, how to keep yourself safe when you go online. The internet is an amazing place where you can learn new skills, play exciting games, and chat with friends. But just like when you go out into the real world, you need to know the rules that will help you stay safe.
Think of going online a bit like crossing a busy road. If you know what to do, it can be safe and enjoyable. But if you don't, it can be very dangerous.
One of the first rules is never share personal information, like your full name, your home address, your phone number, or even the name of your school.
That information might seem small, but when it's all put together, strangers can use it to find out lots of information about you.
Another key fact is that once you post something online, it can stay there forever. Even if you think you've deleted it, screenshots and copies can travel around the world in seconds.
If you get a message, email, or friend request from someone you don't know, don't reply, don't share anything, and definitely don't click on strange links.
Many of those links are designed to trick people into downloading viruses or to take you to fake websites that try to steal your personal information and passwords.
To protect yourself, always use strong passwords that are at least 8 characters long and include a mix of capital letters, lowercase letters, numbers and symbols.
A simple password like 1234 or password is so weak that hackers and computer programs can guess it in just a few seconds.
You should cheat through password the same as a toothbrush. Never share it and change it often. It's important to be aware of the time you spend online and ensure that you have a healthy balance of offline activities as well.
When chatting or gaming online, make sure you only talk to people you actually know in real life and that your parents are happy for you to connect with.
Some people online pretend to be children when they're really adults. So it's always best to keep your online friends the same as your offline friends.
If you ever see something online that makes you feel uncomfortable, upset, or even frightened, it's important to stop what you're doing and tell a trusted adult immediately.
Trusted adults could be your parents, teachers, brothers, sisters, or any adults who you know well that will listen and help.
When you want to play a new game or download an app, always check the age rating because it tells you whether the game is suitable for children your age.
These ratings are there to protect us from violent, scary or confusing content that might not be good for our well-being.
Sometimes you may feel pressured by friends online to share photos, join in dares or copy challenges.
It is important to remember that you have the right to say no.
True friends will respect your choices and won't push you into doing something that feels wrong or uncomfortable, whether that's online or in real life.
Another key rule is to be kind online because the words you type on a keyboard can hurt someone just as much as saying unkind things in the playground. If you see someone else being bullied online, don't ignore it and definitely don't join in. Instead, show kindness to the person and report the bullying to an adult.
A good habit is to think before you click, because once you press a button online, you can't always take it back.
Finally, remember this, the internet is a powerful tool that gives you great opportunities, but by making smart and careful choices, you stay in control of your online world.
So enjoy exploring, learning and playing online. Just remember to stay aware, stay safe and make the internet a place where you can have fun with confidence.